Hey guys, and welcome to another episode from Lewi Buch Productions. So today, let's start with the obvious thing. Technically, where I'm kneeling, the 325 Super was the last day seen. And you might realise there's an engine very similar to the 325 Super's engine sitting here. Half of that is right. Well, some of it's right. This is a 325 Super engine. In fact, it is the 325 Super's engine. So, if the engine's out of it, what happened with the rest of it? Now, unfortunately I couldn't film it for you. So, the reason I couldn't film it was, and still is actually a problem, I'm filming this just to give you an update, and a brief update of what I'm doing here. I won't be filming the work to this because I'll tell you what I'm doing tonight and you'll get to see the photos after it. But anyway, here's what happened to the 325 Super. So there you go. Although I've had no power, no signal and no internet all weekend, I did manage to do all that. So the next job on my list being the axle is actually behind the camera. It needs cleaning up and the hubs taken out of it and get the oil seals and that all ready to change. But this lump here obviously was smoking quite badly when we had it running. So first thing on the to-do list is pardon me, I've just had my supper. So the first thing to do on the to-do list is get the gearbox off, get the clutch off, get everything stripped off of it, and get it onto the workbench so that I can strip the whole engine down and see what is actually needed for this engine to be rebuilt? I'm pretty sure piston rings is a must, but whether it needs main bearings and big end bearings, I don't know yet. So I'm going to go and strip all this off tonight, and we'll see how it turns out. Well, you'll get to see right now. I have to wait probably 2-3 hours to find out what it's like. That's if the head comes off, because I know how Reliant heads like to jam on. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoy it. Here's the rest of the photos coming up, and I guess I'll do a little ending to it. Well, no, we'll do the ending now to say so I can crack on and get this work done tonight. So thanks for watching. I know it's been a short episode. Hopefully you understand it's quite mad that we've no... Well, the only reason we've got power, actually, I will explain that, is because we've got a generator, very luckily. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this short episode, a brief update on the 325 Super. There will be more coming on it, because we are going to rebuild this whole car quite soon. Because the chassis is actually way now being powder coated. So yeah, stay tuned on the channel. Remember to hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with the latest updates and videos from the channel. And yeah, I hope you are enjoying the content from this little Regal 325. I do hope to have the super van home quite soon, so that'll be an update on it. But we'll see. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Remember to give the video a like if you have, and remember to hit the subscribe button if you want to keep up to date with everything Reliant content on this channel. I would list it all, but it's getting a long list now. But anyway guys, I'm going to go and crack on with this, and we'll see you next time.